Hello everyone, what is up? Today I'm going to be sharing another makeup tutorial and I'm going to be trying out a matte look today, so I'm just gonna get started. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is pulling my hair back, and today I'm using the Smashbox Photofinish Foundation Primer. And I'm just going to take a little bit, like maybe like that, rub it between my fingers, and apply all over my face. So the second product I'm going to be using is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Rose Ivory. I'm just applying and now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend all that out. So the next product I'm going to be using is the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer in the shade Fair, and just applying a little bit under my eyes and a little bit on my eyelids as a base for my eyeshadow. Just going to be blending that all across my eye. So now that I'm done with all of that, I am going to go into my Sephora Natural Instincts palette and pick up this kind of brownish shade right here called Buff, and I'm just gonna be putting that in my crease. Now I'm just going to take this light color right here called Cream, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid. So now I'm just going to go in with the darkest shade called Sandy Brown, and I am just going to put that in the outer corner of my eyes and just blend it. So now that that's finished, I'm going into this very light shade right here with a smaller brush, and the shade is called Pearl. And I'm just taking a little bit and putting it on the inner corner of my eye. So now that my eyeshadow is complete, I'm just going in with this Sephora Jumbo Liner in brown and just very lightly lining on my lash line. Now I'm going to take my Annabelle brow liner in Universal Medium and just comb up my eyebrows. With the brush side, and with the other side, I will fill in some of the sparseness in my brows. So now that that's done, I'm going to go back to my face and use the Clinique Soft Breast Blusher Powder in Pink Blush. And I'm just going to tap my blusher brush in there and apply the blush to the apples of my cheeks. Now that I have applied a bit of blusher, I'm just going to do my lashes. So I'm just going to quickly curl them up. And for mascara today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And just apply that to my lashes. So now that my mascara is done, I'm going to be moving on to lips, and today I'm using the Burts Matte Lip Crayon in Sedona Sands, and this is so nice. I think it's a really good nude on me, and I really like it. So now that my lips are done and looking very nude and really pretty, I'm going to go in and finish off with the Urban Decay Do Me Moisturizing Setting Spray. So that is it, you guys. That is my soft matte tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!